Hello and welcome to Microsoft Word Advanced course. This is part 9, working with master document. We already know how to work with and edit, format a document in Microsoft Word. But what is a master document? A master document contains other documents called the sub-documents, where we can have one main document and other sub-documents can be linked, created or inserted inside that master document. What is the use of having a master document? We'll see when we are working on the Word application. Say you and your team are working on a project where you are working on one main document and they are given a task of working on sub document, and you want to keep a track of their work or whatever changes are being made, or you yourself want to make some changes and you want that change to be reflected in their sub document. So instead of opening the different sub documents and viewing each of them and making the changes, what could be better that you can have the control of all the documents from one master document itself. That feature is available in Microsoft Word, and you can create a link to different documents from one document. Any changes made to the sub document from inside the master document is reflected. You can collapse the sub document, you can unlink it, you can delete it. This is a very powerful feature. Let us discuss how these things can be done. Create a document, either a blank document or a document with some text. Name it as a master document. Now I have named it as a master document for the purpose of convenience. You can have any name you want. Scroll down, place the cursor and click on View tab. In your View tab, under the Views group, you have Outline. Click on Outline. You will see the different bullet points and the cursor being placed. You can always enter, you can add new lines, you can place different documents inside the outline view. You can see the outline being highlighted as the tab. Once you are in the outline tab, click on Show Document. It will expand, it will show the master document group. You can always close the outline view. I have some data already in place. You can create, you can insert something over here. You can create a document from inside the document outline view in which we are working, or you can insert different documents as well. Let's first work with inserting the document, and later on we'll create a document from the outline view as well. Click on Insert. Clicking on Insert will open the Insert Sub-Document dialog box. Choose the location where your file is saved, your sub-document is saved. As you can see, I have chosen the sub-document one. It is showing the document in the inside a box. This is the content. You can always click under your master document. You can always click on collapse document. Yes, I want to save the changes. It will save the changes. Now you can see the sub-document as a link. If I want to insert any other document, same method can be used. Click on Expand. First you have to expand the document and position the cursor wherever you want the new sub document to be inserted. Click on Insert. Word has inserted the second document. You can see the second document as well. Click on Collapse. Yes, I want to save the changes. You will be able to see two links. You can always hover over it. You can use the control key. You can expand it, you can collapse it. Let's click, it will be expanded. You can also open it by clicking the link, I can make some changes in this sub document. You can see at the top on the title bar, this is sub document 2. Let's make some changes and we'll go back and see the changes, whether the changes are being reflected in my master document or not. This is bold and italic. Let's increase the size and make it italic. Save the changes. Let me close this. This is the sub document. Let's open it. Let's click on expand. You can see the changes being made. If I make some changes from the master document, it will be reflected in the sub document as well. This time let's work with this one. Make it like bold, italic, underline. Let me make it bold. Make the changes to the size. This is sub document 1. Save it and collapse it. Let's open the sub document 1. You can see the changes being reflected. The changes are being saved in sub document 1. So this is about inserting links in your master document. If you want, you can create a new document in the master document itself. Click on expand document. Now you can create or insert new documents only when you are you have clicked on the expand document option. And if you want to create a new document inside the master document, click on create. If you are getting the message like I am getting, select a heading level, go back to outline. You can see and here select show all levels and click on create. A new document is being created. You can type in some information, say new document inside master document. It's a new document inside the master document which we have created. If I go if I collapse the, yes, I want to make the changes. If I collapse, you can see a new document being created. You can go to this document by clicking on it. You can see the document being created. It will open for you. This is the document which we have created inside the master document. Any changes made here, it will be reflected. Save it, go back, and if I expand the sub document, you will see the changes there as well. Anytime you want to unlink any document, you can click and unlink. You can check them. You can delete the link which you have created from here, or you can always right click. You can remove the link. You can edit the link. You have the remove hyperlink option. If I right click, I can remove them. I can make changes. Now, removing the link from the master document, it will not remove the document, it will not delete the document. Only the link will be removed from the master document, but the original document will remain intact. Hope you found the information discussed in this video useful. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and thank you for watching.